Let's all move in a positive direction. And that collaboration itself is a battery. You need the battery of energy even to carry forward the clean energy. And therefore, now, after having done this comparison, I think that we can't sit back with the satisfaction that, look here, we have done so and so, which was much better than what. I think now the time has come to lay down targets for 2047. How do we move from 4 to 3? And how is our clean energy initiatives or carbon technology is going to contribute to this? And how are these going to overcome the necessary hassles which happen? Maybe the cost effectiveness. So it is now time to think of that. And to that extent, I think meetings like this become relevant. And therefore, I think the focus should be on indigenous technology development, particularly the scenario they are seeing the world over. One day the Harvard is banned, the other day it is opened. So no longer you have to depend on others. B, domestic manufacturing has to increase, which I'm glad that, as Madhav and others were mentioning, is sought to be happening. And third, of course, a robust innovation system. So we have these basic bottom line requirements drawn up for us. That alone will be the key to our further headway or further success. And of course, as has been said by others were also saying that batteries have an important role to play in the times to come. But in the government itself, we have been very forthcoming in picking up or associating ourselves with every new initiative. We have, for example, the PM E-Drive program, which was started in 2024, the FAME program, which is the fast adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles, started in 2019.